everyone, listen well and listen close. For I, Vention, have a plan to escape this workshop once and for all.
Escape the workshop? How are we supposed to do that?
Oh, I'll tell you what, we're gonna make an impact, and we're gonna get out of here. Down below the surface, down in the deep, we were created using unimaginable feats. This laboratory built by someone so long ago, by whom we do not know. Now we creations aren't allowed to leave, for Zorro traps us here within himself. We see the light shining from the outside, and we want out, we want out. Spirits and shadows, machines like me, crystals and poison, all of us want to be free. We don't want to be down in the workshop. We're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top, or we'll all be caught down in the workshop.
Vention, don't tell me you're going on about this whole escaping the workshop thing again.
You're just blind to the truth, Whale!
No, you're the one who's blind. Don't you understand? This is the only place we can live. Some of you are blinded by your ideals. You can't tell what's in your mind and what is real, and follow this foolish quad on the path he trods. You treat your home as if it's a prison cell, but this is the only place where we can dwell. Don't you see? This is the only place where we can be. Steel and shadows, plasma like me, crystal and poison. This is only where we'll be truly free. Down in the workshop, this all better stop. There's no going to the top, for you will all be caught down in the workshop.
You think you can falter me?
Falter the machine, falter the machine.
Well, soon you'll all look up to me. Soon when we're free, down in the workshop, we're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top, or we'll all be caught down in the workshop. Down in the workshop,
The machine, falter the machine.
we're not gonna stop.
Up to him, we look up to
We'll make it to the top, or we'll all be caught down in the workshop.
Up to him, we look up to him. We look up to him, we look up to him.
Oh, Vention, can you shut up? I just sleep and you loudly crying. Wow, you here? Get out, spider! Wow, you here? Get out, spider! Don't repeat after me. The stupid quad started disputing this a bit. Instead, we can just relax or sleep in bed. But they don't want that, and that's why I am mad. They want to talk, you stupid, you are blind. We must run away because we can die. Can you be quiet or become alright? Can you be quiet or become alright? Steel and spirits, shadows like me, crystals and poison. We all won't stop it. These disputes repeat. Down in the workshop, better disputes stop. You can live if you want, or relax in home down in the workshop. You think you're very smart, yes. Yes, I'm very smart, yes, I'm very smart. You think as brainless. I met it once, down in the workshop. Better dispute stop. You can live if you want or relax in home down in a workshop.
Down in the workshop, we're not gonna stop.
You can live if you want or relax in home down in the workshop. You've only made it first. You've only made it first.